let me show you how to create a dripping portrait effect in Photopea. My name is Khalid and I do step-by-step Photopea tutorials. So first, open up your image. Here I'm working with this one. Now I have removed already the background from this image using the simple remove background option in Photopea. You can watch my other video which is about how to do that. I'll leave a link for it on the video right now. Then we import the drip effect that we are going to apply. So go to File, Open and Place. Choose the drip that you want. Now the drip that you use matters a lot because it affects how the whole thing works. Then simply and there, that is how I want it to be. So just click the check mark. Then actually, let me pause here for a second to give you this tip. You can stack multiple drips on top of each other to create more drips or whatever reason you might need them for. Here I have duplicated the drip layer multiple times. So let's say for example I want to move this one here and this one like this to create more drips. So all you have to do is click on Control, highlight them together, and then right click and go to Merge Layers. Now all of the drips are just one layer. So don't worry, everything we are about to do next works exactly the same way, whether you used one drip or merged several together. Now let's get back to where we were. Move the drip layer behind the object and then add the raster mask to the object layer. Then after that, this is the crucial step. Right click on the drip layer and click on Select Pixels. Now you can see the selection has been done here. So now another important thing, go to Select Inverse. After that, just uncheck the eye. So this will hide, and then don't forget, click on the mask image. Here on the object layer, click on the mask image. Then choose the brush and make sure the colors are black and white. If there are different colors, simply click on press D to revert to the original colors, and then you can press X on your keyboard to change between them. And we're using the black color, we are going to remove this part here. So just choose a softer kind of brush and increase the size as you need, and then just start erasing. Be careful a little when you reach the object, because you see what we are erasing. Make sure to be careful when you reach near the top of it, because if you erase a lot of it, it will remove these parts here of the object itself. And you see the drips, they are filled and everything else has been removed. Now we can just simply add a background image to it, but first go to Select, choose Deselect to remove the selection. Now this is the drip that I've used. If you choose a different kind of drip which with wider streaks, then it will be different. So the drip choice matters a lot here. Then to add the background, simply go to Layer, New Fill Layer. You can choose Color Fill, Gradient Fill, Pattern Fill, whichever one you want. I'm going to choose Gradient Fill. And I'm adding the red gradient to the background. Then simply just move the layer of the background behind the object. Now the object and the drip, they are together. So if you want to add a shadow to it, simply add a new layer. And let me show you this cool trick. And using the brush and with the black color or dark gray, just simply paint a soft circle around here. And then click on Transform Controls and pull it down from the top so it looks more flat. Then move it just under the object and you can reduce the opacity so it will be some kind of a soft shadow, just like that. Now I know this image is not the best that I can come up with, but I'm sure once you understand the basics, you can come up with much better images than this. And this can be implied on the side, for example, to make it half image, half drip, or in so many ways, like some of the images you have seen at the beginning of the video. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.